Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about my prompting work from one of AI platform, this is about the satisfying tiny home design, and it has several design alternative as usual, with the exterior and also the interior design, and it will give you a lot of experience, will give you a lot of design inspiration about the exterior or interior satisfying tiny home. Okay, let's watch. In this first design of the tiny home, of the satisfying tiny home, it's very impressive because of the exterior design, and for the entrance, the entrance is unity with the courtyard or the space with the deck. So the space with the deck could be a leisure area for the user, so the user can make the another activity on the outside, so the user could enjoy the environment of surrounding tiny home itself. As we can look from this exterior, it has a beautiful scenery of the surrounding tiny home with a large glass entrance material anyway. Then we can look for the another design alternative. This is about the interior design. One of interior design alternative from my work from one of AI platform, and I think it's about the little bit large tiny home design. But I like this tiny home interior vibes because of it's not only about massive envelopes, it also about the large glazing on the right and the left side, so the daylighting can go to the inside with a well delivery. Then I like this vibe of this interior of this beautiful daylighting anyway. Then it's very impressive, and it's simple but iconic industrial exterior look tiny home because of it's not only show us about the rustic cladding like that, but in this design bring the industrial vibes with modern frame on the window and the door glazing, which is the entrance door and the window. It's near to the deck. It's parallel with the deck area. I think it's was great, and I like the ambience lighting. I like the artificial lighting on the indoor because of its so artistic combination of the lighting. And I like about the another alternative interior design. Again, it's not only because of the furniture layout, but it also show us about the large entrance or large door opening over there. Then we can look from here, we can see for the scenery, we can see for the environment of the surrounding tiny home with well sightseeing from the inside of this tiny home. And this interior of this tiny home, it's I think it's simple enough. It's not too much goods and it's not too much furniture. It's just enough furniture over there, and it give a lot of efficiency of the space. And then in this another design I like about the cornering deck. I would about the cornering terrace deck like this, because I mean it seems like a simple modern tiny home or mid-century tiny home, and again it bring a lot of inspiration, especially for the exterior envelopes ideas. So because of this I have an idea about the tiny home. It's not only about the simple boxy tiny home, it's also give us inspiration about how to make a beautiful cornering tiny home on the outside. So the ideas come from here, I mean. Then we can look for the next design, and I like about the simplicity and the length shaping of the tiny home, and especially for the outdoor terrace, so the user can make a lot of activity, a lot of communal activity on the entrance or terrace, but still can make can make see, but the user still can see about the indoor activity or indoor area activity, and about the interior activity, about the interior area can look forward for the exterior area because of the large opening window and the door with the glass material, something like this. And this is about the beautiful and artistic one of interior design example. Anyway, then we can look for the composition, which is for the vertical composition. I mean, because of the cabinet are not only on the ground but it also on the loft bed area. So the loft bed area can use for the placement of the goods, and could be a placement of the another furniture or another maybe another gear or goods material. Anyway, then we can see for the, I mean, this is about the simplicity design of this tiny home. I think it was very simple, but it's compact. Not only about that, it also give us inspiration about how to maximizing the skylight design with just small and simple tiny home like this. So even if it just small, I mean, it still have another folded material, folded furniture such as a folded sofa, and on the bottom of the sofa has a cabinet or has a shelf itself. So I mean, it was compact and make the room feel clean than another tiny home interior design, I mean. Then it was great and it was mind-blowing about the first impression of this exterior. It's not only because the wall cornering or decking cornering, but it also give us inspiration. It also give us ideas about the how to shaping the exterior of tiny home. Of the exterior of tiny home, it's not only about the strict shape, but it's give a curvy shape on a little bit room or a little bit space on the exterior envelopes, I mean. So this, and then it give us inspiration about the large window and opening also. Then this is the last design inspiration, and in this video I like this because of it seems like a industrial and woody concept, and it seems like homey tiny home because of the sofa design, and it has a small carpet over there, so it looks homey even if it has a large window and opening, and it has vegetation element on the interior, so it just bring fresh vibes on the interior. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and follow this channel always. Thank you.